Well, hey there, gang. Welcome back. This is the last video before tomorrow night's super awesome event. I am so excited about what we've done and a little bit nervous because we've never done this like this before. It's just, packed full of education and information that you need to see exactly what we did throughout the year, why we did the ups, the downs, the sideways, and then, of course, how to prepare for next year and be prepared for next year. So, really a super awesome event. Looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow night. As we look at today, of course, we are down below the speed lines, so we're above those long-term averages on the SPY. So, in general, my focus is still long side, but below the speed lines here, as always, we get much more cautious and clam up, and or I shift away from swing trading, shorts, long side thinking, and focus just like on intraday trading, and that's exactly what I did today, which take a look at that right now. And that continues to be the case, by the way, just going back to that for a moment. When we're caught there, below the speed lines, but above the long-term rising support, overall, I'd like to find the next long side opportunity if the market will push back above those speed lines. But at this point, there is no such thing right now. So I'm going to go ahead and focus on the trades like we'll talk about right now. So obviously, you could see why I was focusing on short side here today with the market. And we're going to actually incorporate this tomorrow night in addition to all the other things I normally talk to you about. IRBs and IRBs and IRBs and reverse IRBs and all those other wonderful strategies, throttling and the spikes and all those cool things that we normally go ahead and talk about. We're also going to be talking about these short-term retracement zones, which I highlighted here tonight in the burnt orange color. Those are going to be really additional opportunities here for entries and re-entries. So the ones on the downside here, looking to break down below those for fresh entry short. You can see how the market reacted when we broke down those types of things today. And then fresh re-entries with the trend here as well. So we're going to be adding more things in tomorrow night, teaching you more strategies and combining it with the year to get you all prepped up for next year. So this is going to be big. Never done this before. So bear with me tomorrow night. Plan for a lot of time together tomorrow evening. So with that being said, obviously I was focusing on the short side. You can see a whole bunch of different reasons why, right? We had throttling here this morning, which means even after pullbacks we expect lower lows, and sure enough we had that until such time as we were making lower lows, but not lower lows in the indications, and then the market started to turn around here, right, as we expect it to do. So my only trading was short side in the S&P futures today, so I'm very happy with that. And what we're going to do is we're going to talk about that on an intraday basis. We're also going to be hitting a lot of swing trading, position trading, 6 month or more, type trading opportunities. So we're going to be looking at those, how we looked at those from earlier in the year. So I'm super excited about all this that we have laid out for you tomorrow night. So with that being said, go to becomeabettertrader.com. This is the last video now that you're going to have before tomorrow night's special event, and I don't want you to miss it. So go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. It starts at 7 o'clock sharp. As you guys know, we start right on time, 6 o'clock Central, 4 o'clock Pacific. Don't do anything. Don't focus on anything. Don't get your mind on anything until unless you're freshening up on those strategies I taught you from the previous series of the last trainings that I've done in the last several months. Put those all together, freshen up on those, and then bring your questions and bring your mind for tomorrow night's class, because you just can't afford to miss it. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys there. BecomeABetterTrader.com. I'll see you tomorrow night, gang. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.